Are you doing it yet?
Hi, boys and girls. I am here to show you how we will be doing our Letterland spelling this week. First of all, as you know, most of you have taken the Letterland spelling inventory with me. However, there are just a few people that I still need to be reaching out to today to finish some last minute assessments. So we thought, just to make it easier for everyone, for this first week, we will all complete the same Letterland spelling unit. Okay, but now next week, depending on how you do on this week's test and how you did on the Letterland assessment I did with you one-on-one, you may be in a different group. So I want to actually go to our Clever page and go to Seesaw. Okay, so here's our online page. Here is Seesaw. And you're going to notice if you log into Seesaw and go to our home room, okay, and go to our activities for the week, the first one that's going to come up is our Letterland, okay? Every person will be completing Letterland Unit A, second grade. We have came up with a creative way to put all of your assignments for the entire week in one place. I want to share that with you now. So when you get ready to start the activities for today's Letterland lesson, you will do like you normally would with any activity in Seesaw. Click Add Response. Of course, I'm going to go to Sample Student. Okay, so you are currently watching this video link because I will be also sharing it with others that can't be in our meeting. They will click here, and that will automatically show them the video that you're watching with me at this time. Okay, so on the screen, this is where you'll find your Letterland units each week. Everything you need for the week will be in this one place. So if you look over here to the right hand, hide myself for a second. Okay, so if you'll look over here on the right hand side, these are all Google Slides where you will find everything that you need for this week's assignments on Letterland. Okay, so once again, if you click here, if we go into the module and click on slide 2, here we go. You will see Monday. Okay, this is Monday's assignments for Letterland. Always look each day to make sure you are on the correct day of the week for your assignments, because it is important that you complete them in order. So as you look up at the right hand top of your screen each day, you will see the day of the week. So this is Mondays. Now, also something to always look for on Monday is you will find our spelling words for the week. I will always make sure that we box out the words that we'll be focusing on. Notice we have our tricky words for review. Those are tricky words from first grade. You have review words from first grade. And then we're going to focus on list A. All of these are short vowel words that we will be reviewing this week in Letterland. Not only do we want to focus on this week's list of words, which are also in the yellow box, but you'll always find your sentences down here as well. Because as we practice through the week, you will be practicing with the words, but you'll also be practicing with your sentences that will be a part of your test. Always look on each day of the week's slide to see if there is a video clip explaining exactly what to do for that day's assignment. So for example, for today, you will notice it says word work on the left-hand side. Click here for Monday video lesson. So here in just a moment, when you work on Letterland on your own, there is a video clip there that I have created to explain what to do with Monday's words. Okay? If you get confused at any time while you are working on your Letterland, you can go up here to the top bar and you can click View Instructions. Okay, and once again, the instructions will be there to remind you how to do this each day. So as you finish up on Monday, today's assignment with all your Letterland words, as you finish, you will go over here to the right-hand corner once again, and you do not check the green check mark because you are still completing a draft each day of all of your work, and you will only click draft every day until Friday. And then Friday, once you have taken your spelling test and completed all the week's assignments for that Letterland list, that's when you'll finally get to click the green check mark. Okay, and to help you to remember that, we do have that here in the instructions reminding you, do not click submit, which means the green check mark, you're ready for what to be turned in for final grades, until all week's lessons are complete. Okay, and we'll try to remind you of that each day in your word work video for the first few weeks, and then hopefully everybody will get the hang of it. But remember, each day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you're just clicking on the draft because you are not finished with all the week's activities that will be here in one place for me to score for you, and also one place for you to look back at and see how you're doing. All right, so hopefully this has explained to you how the new spelling will be working. As I said, you can always look over here to the right-hand side and look for the day of the week. Notice I've clicked on Tuesday now. There is a video, so you'd want to watch the video link, and then that will explain to you how to do the activities with our spelling words for the week. Always look for the slides. Make sure that the day is the current day that you're working on it. And once you click through those and you get to the next day, when you see Wednesday up there, you know to stop. You will not do that activity until Wednesday. All right, so I hope you guys will enjoy doing Letterland spelling this way and keeping it organized in one place. Don't forget to reach out to me if you have questions or concerned, and I can't wait to see how it goes with Letterland spelling this week. So, good luck. Bye-bye.